Hi there, Jennifer with Scrapping Under the Influence. So I have finished another little mini that I did for the recipes. We did a recipe swap at the Let's Get Creative Doodlebug event back in November. We did a recipe swap, so I ended up with a whole bunch of recipes that from the other ladies that were there. It was really fun. It was you know, a different swap, which was really cool. So I, rather than put them into an album or something, I actually ended up making another mini album. Well, not so many considering the recipes are 8x8. This was really big. I wanted to keep it fairly simple since I will be using this in my kitchen. It will be going upstairs with my other cookbooks. I've got a couple others that, you know, that are not totally handmade, but, you know, have some stuff sticking off the front. So I didn't want to get this too horribly fancy or anything like that. What I did is I took this little tag that was from a tag kit from Susie West that I got at the Doodlebug event, or that was one of our projects at the Doodlebug event. Sorry, I completely blanked for a second there. So I took that, adhered that to the front. Pretty much all of the other paper you're going to see here, this is all from the Doodlebug Milk and Cookies collection. This all came from the scraps and whatnot I had from doing my recipes and my cards for the recipe swap and the card swap at the event. This is just a little doodle pop and the cookies and the little hearts that came with it. This is off of one of the sticker sheets that comes with the milk and cookies. Same thing with the little borders here. On the end here I have Doodlebug's letters, and I'm blanking on the name of them, but they're newer and they're really, really cute. They just were perfect for this. So, you know, I used some other of the little odds and ends elements in here. On the back I've just, you know, got the 6x6 with Santa sitting there with the cookies and the kitty and everything, just because I absolutely love that little scene. It's just adorable. Inside, what I've done here is I actually did a listing of all of the recipes that are in here. If the person that made it put their name on there, I've listed their name. If they didn't, then I've just got the recipe. All of this was just scraps and then odds and ends from Doodlebug, and then these are all of these just awesome recipes that we got during the swap. This one was mine. This is Cynthia, the owner of Doodlebug, and Allison, who is one of her employees. I can't remember. I think Allison's over sales. I don't remember, but she is the nicest. Everybody at Doodlebug was just amazing. It was such a fun weekend. But yeah, I mean, you know, all these ladies put a lot of work into these recipes for the swap, so I really wanted a way to showcase them and really show, you know, be a way to show off everybody's hard work. So, I mean, you can see this one's just adorable. It's a little card that you pull out. And rather than actually make pages like you typically would do with this style of mini, what I did is I actually just took our 8x8 recipes, adhered them together, and then adhered them to the spine in the book. So I wasn't adding a lot of extra unnecessary bulk because I didn't need pockets or pages or, you know, anything else that I needed to add to this. You know, so I mean, just some really fun, cute little recipes here. And there we go. And then once again, just, you know, more of my scraps and things to finish off the back of that. And there you have it.